How to make traditional turmeric golden milk. Golden milk, also known as Haldi Doodh, is a comforting and delicious traditional age-old Indian beverage and effective home remedy made with milk, turmeric, ginger, healthy fats, and warm spices like star anise, black peppercorns, green cardamom pods, cinnamon, and a bit of honey to give it a delicious sweet taste. I have also left the full list of ingredients in the description below this video. Turmeric's powerful protective properties make it a perfect drink to have when you are under the weather or just when you need a little pick-me-up. Once you have all the ingredients, it is really easy to make. Bring milk to simmer on low heat. Add finely grated turmeric root, green cardamom pods, slices of ginger, peppercorns, star anise, and cinnamon stick. Simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. Add in the honey and coconut oil and whisk it all together for 1 minute while still simmering. Remove pan from heat. Cover it with lid and let it sit for another 5 minutes for the flavors to steep in. Strain the golden milk using a strainer into cups. Sprinkle with cinnamon or cardamom powder before serving. Enjoy the warmth and comfort of this therapeutic golden milk. For more clever and delicious ways to add turmeric to your diet so that you can get the maximum benefit, follow the link in the description below this video.